Hey, so guys, today I'll show you how to install Windows Server 2019 step by step if you are a beginner. So, as I am also beginner. So the thing is, we need to download the Windows Server ISO and VMware workstation we have already installed here. And at least we require 4 GB RAM, 60 GB hard disk, and that's it. So let me find out where is sorry, we need to go into the new virtual machine. Okay, how's that typical? And I will select my ISO file here. This is server 2019. I have downloaded, and let's click next. So here I'm giving the password 5 5. So I'm not giving the product key because this is the test machine. So it did not enter. Okay, no problem. So I'm going to install this machine in my data store in some specific folder. So I will create the folder here. Okay, DC. Okay, and I will give the 60 GB because this is the test machine, and I will give the RAM for now 8 GB, but later we will reduce it and finish. So it is here. So let me just rename this machine DC. All right, so now our installation is begin. So it will take some time. I will pause the video and we'll get back. So now we have option here, Windows Server 2019 standard. So this copying Windows file and getting done the installation. So now our server is ready. It is asking you must restart your system to configure changes made the VMware tools to take effect. So VMware tools is already installed. So we are going to restart our server. Let's restart. Once it will come back. So far so good. We have installed our Windows Server 2019, and now we will going to be create our domain controller. I believe it will ask the password which we have set in the start. So it is a bit slow. Oh, I believe I typed the wrong password. Oops. Okay. So what password I have set? Okay, this one. So now our server is ready. What we will do, we will assign the static IP and create the domain controller. So how to create the domain controller, let's follow our next video. Thank you for watching.